Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting and new review for you guys. जैसा कि आप वीडियो में भी देख सकते हैं, we have this big electric griddle. Here is the box of the griddle. As you can see, there are all the description on the box and there are some pictures to describe the packaging and describe the product. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon so you can turn on the notification whenever I upload a new video, so you guys can get a notification of it. And now I'm unboxing the product. So as you can see, our product is packed very good and very secured with all these packaging. Now take off all the packaging and plastic wrap of the product. The product was well packed and well secured in this packaging. Video is not sponsored, so please watch till end. So here we have the paperwork, like instructions, manual, user guide. We need to read this like every time whenever we buy a new product. And here we have the plugin. It's like very heavy duty plugin. We will use it and see how it works. There is a thermostat on it. We can control our temperature and set our temperature. There are a lot of options in it. Now take out the griddle from the plastic packing. So now we have this big and non-stick, very beautiful griddle. We can use it for every time. Like if we want to make our breakfast, we can just use this griddle. We can use this anytime. It is non-stick, and this is the dripping tray if you are using this griddle, and if you are on diet, just use this griddle, and all the fat and oil just drip on this dripping tray, and you can just wash this dripping tray, or you can also put in the dishwasher. The size of this griddle is 10 by 20. This griddle is basically a non-stick ceramic surface where you can cook leaner, healthier, and as well as tasty food. So now have a look on this part. It is basically a removable temperature control probe. We can just remove this plug-in and we can control our temperature through this probe, and we can also adjust our temperature control, like if we are cooking on lower heat and if we want to cook on higher heat, or we can even use the temperature control on the warm option, and it will keeps our food warm as long as we want. So this feature, I really like it. So now let's talk about the price of this griddle. Basically I ordered this online. If you guys want to order it and if you guys want to purchase it, just go ahead. The links in the description box. I will provide all the links and details in the description box, and I will also provide the similar links, similar product links, so you can just go ahead and click on the links for more details. So now it's time to use our griddle. But before using the griddle, I will just clean the griddle with a little bit wet paper towel or just regular towel to clean the surface of the griddle. After that, I just plug in the temperature control probe and set the temperature. For me, this griddle is the best for the breakfast, because breakfast time you guys don't have enough time to making the breakfast. We are in hurry because we have to go to work or we have to go to school or college. So all we need to turn on this electric griddle and we can just make and prepare all our breakfast all in once. As you can see in the video, I just put 2 slices of the bread to toast the bread and 2 burger patties and 1 egg. So it's working very fine. If you guys have question about the security, or it's very secure griddle, you guys don't have any fear while cooking on this griddle. It's very safe, it's very secure while cooking all the stuff. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any question about the video or anything, you guys can let me know in the comment section, or you guys can also follow me on my Instagram. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.